Before you dive into project management knowledge pool, let us first understand, what is a project? Many a times, we call our work as project, when it is not. Knowing the definition of project will help you get at least 3 to 4 questions right in the exam. To visualize, understand and memorize the characteristics of project, let us start with a simple analogy. Consider a balloon filled with color water. Name it as project. Project is work efforts undertaken to meet the intended objective. Project starts when you decide what you have going to do, and ends when you have created the outcome which you set out to create. Therefore, with definite start and definite end, we can say that projects are temporary in nature. That is the first characteristic of a project. Another characteristic of a project is, it creates unique outcome. It can be unique product, such as a bridge, as outcome of a multi-year construction project. Project outcome can be service, such as increasing the productivity of manufacturing facility through a Six Sigma project. Or, outcome can be a result, such as inventing a new method in research lab, as a result of research project. So, what is common in these projects? They are all temporary in nature, with beginning and ending. Temporary does not mean that projects are of short duration. For example, bridge construction can be a multi-year project. Also, temporary does not necessarily mean that projects create temporary outcomes. Project, such as bridge construction, creates long-lasting outcome, that is a bridge. Temporary means that project has definite start and definite end. Home improvement can also be called as a project, if it has definite start and definite finish. It produces the unique outcome, as an improvement to the existing product, that is, your home. So, what is not a project? Ongoing and routine work effort, that is generally repetitive in nature, is not a project. For example, the routine maintenance work of the bridge is not a project. Operating manufacturing facility may not be a project, as it repeatedly manufactures the same products in mass volumes. Running the factory by industrializing the result of research project is not a project, as the new method is not unique anymore, and being repeated in factory. These ongoing and routine work efforts, generally called as operations, do not produce unique outcomes, and they are not temporary, but they are ongoing. Therefore, operations are not projects. One more thing to note, projects do not necessarily and always have to come to an end by producing unique outcomes all the time. Projects may get terminated in the middle, and never attain the intended objective, when the need of the project objective does not exist anymore. Sometimes, projects fail, and cannot attain the intended objective. At this moment, projects may be terminated.